Hey there, I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be swapping out the side marker on my 2002 Toyota Tundra. You saw in the last video that it's starting to have some condensation problems in it, so I ordered this one on Amazon, and we'll just be swapping it out nice and easy. So let's get into it. Okay, so to take this thing out, we'll have to pop open the hood first, and then if you look at where the side marker meets the headlight and follow that line up, there's a push pin located right at the top there. You just pop that out, and then that's really the only thing holding the side marker in place. From there, we'll just be pushing it straight forward. So I think the best way of doing that is just having like your palm on the outside of this amber side marker, and then you can just push forward like that, and it should release right away. You can see there's just one clip here at the bottom that clips into the headlight housing, but that's really the only other thing holding it in place. From there, we'll just disconnect the bulb and then throw in the new side marker. And just like that, we got the new side marker in. Really no visual upgrade, but I'm just happy to fix that condensation issue. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and have a great rest of your day.